Alright, so good evening everyone. So today we're going to have our graphing a polynomial function. So given the polynomial function negative x cubed minus 9x squared minus 23x minus 15. So for our step 1 is to factor the given polynomial function. So to factor, we are going to apply the rational root theorem or the corollary to the rational root theorem. Since the leading coefficient is -1, we will proceed directly with P over Q. So what are the factors of our constant? So these are positive and -1, positive and -3, positive and -5, and positive and -15. Then after that, you are going to use the synthetic division. So let us test for, since as you can see on our polynomial function, walang nagpalit ng sign, tama po ba? So ibig sabihin, wala tayong positive real roots. Meron lang tayong mga negative. So, test na natin directly with -1. So, we have your -1, -9, -23, and -15. So, bring down -1. -1 times -1 will give you +1. -9 plus 1 is -8. -8 times -1 is +8. -23 plus 8 is -15. Times -1 will give you +15 plus -15, that is 0. Now, we can continue our synthetic division since ilan lang naman yung tinetest natin. So, let us test for -3. -1, bring down -1. -1 times -3 is +3. -8 plus 3 is -5. -5 times -3 is 15. And -15 plus 15 is 0. Since ang degree ng polynomial natin is 3, so this is, ang degree nito is 2. Therefore, ang degree nito is 1 na lang. So, this can be written as -x minus 5. So, what are the other factor? So, ito na yung factored form nitong -1 minus 5 na yan. Now, yung other two factor, makukuha natin dito sa dalawa. Okay, so this can be written, si -3 yung roots natin. So, this can be written as x plus 3. Then, si -1 can be written as x plus 1. Alright? So, next, let's proceed with our step 2. Sabi natin sa step 2, we are going to solve for x-intercept. And kapag sinabi nating x-intercept, we are letting the value of y is equal to 0. So, lahat ng factored form natin, i-equate lang natin to 0. So, -x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, transpose -5. So, that will give you -x is equal to +5. Then, divide both side by -1 kasi may negative pa tayo dito. So, your x is equal to -5. Intindihan? Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, transpose 3, your x is equal to -3. Next, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Your x is -1. Now, after nyan, sulat mo yung mga ordered pair. So, yung ordered pair natin, if x is -5, your y is 0. Okay? Next, your x is -3, your y is 0. Your x is -1, your y is 0. Okay? Next is step 3. We are going to solve the y-intercept. Sabi natin sa y-intercept, we are letting the value of x is equal to 0. Or just simply look at the constant of the given polynomials. So, the constant is -15. Therefore, the y-intercept is 0 is equal to -15. And step 4 is to solve for identify its companion. And para ma-identify yun, sabi natin, kailangan i-plot natin yung step 2 at step 3 sa ating Cartesian plane. So, ano ba yung mga ordered pair natin? Negative 5, 0. So, dito yun located. Next, negative 3, 0. And negative 1, 0. Then, our y-intercept is 0, negative 15. So, let's assume na nandito yon. Okay? Then, ano yung mga companion natin? So, identify natin yung companion. These are the points on the left, in between, and on the right. Sa left ni negative 5, we have negative 6. In between negative 5 and negative 3, we have negative 4. In between negative 3 and negative 1, we have negative 2. And on the right side of negative 1 is 0. So, hindi na natin kukunin si 0 kasi nasa y-intercept na yun. Tama ba? So, or just let the right point is equal to 0. Okay? Now, we're going to let those value for the step 4 by identifying the companions. So, yun yung mga nakuha natin na points. So, let x is equal to negative 6. So, we can use the factored form na negative x minus 5 times x plus 3 times x plus 1 is equal to value of y. So, papalitan natin yung value na x natin na negative 6. So, this will give us negative times negative 6 minus 5 times negative 6 plus 3 times negative 6 plus 1 is equal to y. So, negative times negative 6 is positive 6. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. So, 1 times negative 3 is negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. So, y is equal to 15 when x is negative 6. So, therefore, the ordered pair is negative 6, 15. So, yun yung isang ordered pair natin. Next, let x is equal to, ano yung points in between? Negative 4. So, this will become negative 4 or negative times negative 4 minus 5 times negative 4 plus 3 times negative 4 plus 1. So, yan yung value ni y. Negative times negative 4 is positive 4. And 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Tama ba? And negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So, solve for y. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Times negative 3 is 3. So, therefore, the ordered pair is what? Negative 4, positive 3. Next, let x is equal to negative 2. So, your y is equal to negative times negative 2 minus 5. Then negative 2 plus 3 and negative 2 plus 1. So, negative times negative 2 is positive 2. And 2 minus 5 will give you negative 3. Then negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Then negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Then, simplify. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. So, if y is equal to 3, the ordered pair is equal to what? negative 2, 3. So, lahat ng ordered pair na nakuha natin dito, ipa-plot natin siya sa ating Cartesian plane. So, burahin ko lang. So, ano yung sinabi natin kanina? Negative 6, 15. So, let's assume na nandito siya banda, no? Then, negative 4, 3. And, negative 2, wait lang, negative 4, 3, then negative 2, 3. Yan. So, kung ipa-plot natin yung graph natin, pagkokonikin lang natin siya. Oops. Wait lang. This should be negative 3, no? Ayan, negative 3 to. Kasi negative times negative is positive 1. Times negative 3 is negative 3. Yun. So, ulitin natin. So, this is negative 4, negative 3. Andito siya. So, pagkonikin lang natin yung kanilang points. Yan. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura ng graph niya. Then, look at the coefficient. What is the coefficient? Negative. So, negative, then add. So, kapag negative, then add. Ano nga ang behavior ng graph? Rising and falling. Tama ba? As illustrated on this graph, rising and falling siya.